Okay, so after I got that replaced, I put some wheat fabric right here around because I'm gonna be putting these marble racks, same ones I have with the pool. Then I'm gonna use this to get it very solid, and after that I'll just put these fences. It's very easy to install fences. I bought these two, cost me $40, and that one $22 because they didn't have more of this, so I had to do this. And also in front of this one they only have one, so I had to work with what I got because I cannot afford the dogs to do that again. So okay, this is how it's looking now. If I didn't have dogs, that should be good, but those fences are pretty simple. You put this on the sides, stick it in, and they hold together. I'm not gonna show you because I don't have nothing to hold the camera, but I'll show you when it's done. Okay, guys, this is how it looks. It's not the best thing, but it looks pretty nice, and it's gonna keep it safe from the dogs. And this, keep watching because next video is gonna be, I'm gonna take this apart and I'm gonna take it to the scrape yard. It probably maybe 150, some around there, 150 to $100. We're gonna see how much we get.